Hello guys, welcome back to Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial named called a bad. So what is this a bad? It's like a CMS auto detect and exploit tool. So bad mode is written in bash script. It allows you to detect a vulnerable of WordPress, CMS websites and plugins and themes and users. It supports a dictionary based a brute force and include a customizable options to exploit. So we would like to go for as installation first. Let's come back here. Just open the terminal. So we would like to look here. This is a BadMod. So just try to copy this one. Then come back here. Just type here as git clone and paste the repository. So I already have. I would like to go here as a BadMod. Now let me just type here as clear. I just type list one as here. So you just need to type here as chmod plus x a BadMod. Then also you need to type here as chmod plus x install. So after that you need to run under the root as a sudo su and enter your password. Then let's just type here as clear. You just need to try to install it. After you have installed, you just type here as a BadMod. That's it. Now it will go for a starting the target website. Now, in this case, I can show you here. Let's just open this. Now, let me just type list minus a cat a sites.txt. You need to put a valuable sites here. I don't have anything, so let me just put here. Enter the IP address of the target of URL without as with HTTP. All server sites is saved in the sites.txt. So it's ask error, check your search parameters. Okay. Now we would like to start again. BadMod. Let it start this one. Now get all a server site. Let me just put here as a test.php dot test php dot web.com. That's it. Now all server sites were saved in the site sites.txt. We would like to look here. Parameter API count exceed. Increase the quota for with the membership. Okay. Now let's just we would like to start this. IP generator. How much I would like to put here as a 10. Now look here. IP addresses will be generated automatically here for your targeted exploit. So this is also like IPv4 where you can get also with HTTPs also. You can get a generated here, a bulk. Now let's we would like to go for import sites from txt, enter a file name. We don't have any type of files. Let me just type here as clear. Now we would like to go for as a BadMod. Now we would like to scan a single targeted website. Let me just put here web.com. Now the targeted IP addresses which when you go for even a cloud targeted website, it will be displayed even with the targeted CMS is unknown. If you try with a CMS targeted website, that will be described here to automatically exploit it. Like once you get the CMS website or a template, go to an exploit DB and find the targeted CMS exploits. Now we would like to go for as another one. Now we would like to go for as I would like to put here as btc.com. Even the backend Cloudflare, it will be detected here. You don't need to worry. So this is hosted in the Amazon, AWS. No PTR records is found, a reverse DNS. Now, we would like to try here as another one. So, it may be a workout for well. Let's just try here. Now, we would like to look here. Now, even it will get subdomains also. Everything here, like assets inventory. User agent is disallowed. A robots.txt dot organizations. So where you have find here with their targeted real IP addresses 132, 132. Quite good. We would like to try here as another one. We would like to go here as a 4. Then we would like to look here as a tryhackme.com. We would like to look here. What's the results we can get here? Where we have got it here, everything clear. So this is posted in the AWS Amazon. Quite good. Now we would like to look here. Let's go for another. Look here, where you have got it here, a lot of things. Reverse DNS. But it will get the right Cloudflare protection IP addresses. But we need to get the right CMS template. Like if you are hosted in the WordPress, if you are hosted in the XYZ places or some other thing. Now, we would like to look here as another one. Now, I would like to try here as another one. 4. Let me just try here. Quantum Edge Holdings.io. That's it. Now, uh, what is this will be provided? We would like to look here. So it not even get going to be provided the right CMS, but in some cases it will be provided for you. If you get hosting of CMS website, we would like to look here. We just try here as github.com. What is this available here? Now, so you can see here the right records of the GitHub. You have got a lengthy of these things with the targeted, but it failed to detect the right CMS, but it never failed to detect the right IP address. So it worked. A Cloudflare is well and good. That's it. So try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.